Okay, so welcome to another episode of Bot Consulting, consultant at botcollectconsulting.com, www.botcollectconsulting.com. Glory to Yahweh, glory to Yahweh, praise Yahweh. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Now, in all my other presentations and videos, I've given you different things that you can do to make money with the scriptures and so forth. This one, I'm going to give out free business tools for new entrepreneur. Hmm. Tools that you need. Do you know that there's a lot of tools out there that's available to you for free that you can use to run your business? Oh my gosh, let's get started. Scripture, James chapter 1, verse 5. As always, we start out with a scripture. Yahweh is first. If any of you lack wisdom, let him ask of God Yahweh, that giveth to all men liberally, and upbraideth not, and it shall be given him. Wisdom often comes as access to tools, system, and knowledge. Wisdom often comes as access to tools, systems, and knowledge. Information is power. You don't know what you don't know, so it's time to get in the know. Planning and organizing. Here are some free tools. Google Workspace, it's Docs and Sheets and Drive. You use it for business planning, record keeping, cloud storage. It's free with Gmail. Notion, it organizes ideas, create dashboards, plan content, great for managing projects. Trello, task management and collaboration. Visual board, system for teams. ClickUp, manage projects, task and goal. Free version includes dashboard. Here it is. I'm going slow. Take your time, write it down, screenshot this point, go use these tools. Next, business planning and organization. Notion, all in one workspace for business planning, content calendar, and to do lists. I have a better breakdown right here. For Trello and ClickUp, it's project management for tracking clients, tasks, and deadlines. Google Workspace, free tier, Gmail, Docs, Sheets, and Drive for business operations. Did you know you can also get a Google phone number? A phone number for your business with your Gmail. Yes. If you don't know how, drop a comment and I will tell you how. Website and branding. Canva. Canva is free. Create business logos, flyers, social media posts, and presentations. Ha ha. Google Sites. Build a free website that connects with your Gmail and Drive. Did you know this? Namecheap Logo Maker. Free AI logo generator for quick branding. Look at this. Wealth is in front of your face and the tools are free. Marketing and social media. Social media is everything right now. Meta Business Suite, manage Facebook and Instagram posts and analytics. Buffer, schedule your posts across multiple social media platforms. MailerLite, not Miller Lite, I said Mailer Lite. Mailer. I have an accent. Free email marketing for up to 1,000 subscribers. Get it done. Finance and bookkeeping, Wave Accounting, 100% free accounting and invoicing software. Did you know that? I know that. Google Sheet budget templates, track expenses, income and profit goals. Invoice generator by invoice.com. Create and send professional invoices for free. Free, free, free. You don't have to start paying out for services. They're free tools. Utilize them. Don't you want to be wealthy? Next, learn and grow. Coursera and edX free courses. Take free business, finance, or marketing classes from universities. HubSpot Academy, free certification in marketing, sales, and customer service. Because people want to see your certifications. So you say, here you go. Google Digital Garage, free training in digital marketing and business skills. Oh my goodness. These tools. Free, 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 free. What's your excuse? What is your excuse? Next. Using these tools isn't just about saving money, it's about wise stewardship and faithful preparation. Yahweh provides the resources. It's up to us to multiply them. Yahweh provide all that you need. You need to multiply. He said, be fruitful and multiply. Multiply. There's a lot of resources out there for free. There's no need to sit and murmur and complain. Resources are free. free, free, free. You just have to research them. And what you don't know, you don't know. So I keep you in the know. Share this video, like, comment, share, subscribe. Glory to Yahweh. Praise Yahweh. Thank you so much for watching. I know I talk a little fast, but I'm just like always like that. I will slow down if I need to slow down. Put that in notes and say, Malaka, go ahead and slow down. All right. Praise Yahweh. Have a great day. Until next